Good afternoon, students. Hello, how are you today? I hope that you are good in Jesus Christ. This is the day that the Lord had made. Other word I can share with you is in Proverbs 11:14, where there is no wise guidance, the nation falls, but in the multitude of counselors there is victory. The topic for today is reading time. So I'm gonna explain this education in times of pandemic. The class for today is very little than the other because I want you to give the pronunciation of the reading. So you must pay attention to the pronunciation in this video and you write the pronunciation in your notebook. That's it. In order to practice in your house. Then in your cell phone, you must record it in the video, the reading about the education in time of pandemic, until 2 seconds of recording, and send to me in my WhatsApp for evaluating the activity. This time moment is enabled to send the video in the WhatsApp. Don't have a problem. Okay, I'm going to give the pronunciation as you see in the screen. Education in time of pandemic. I'm going to say little by little the pronunciation in order to understand and see clearly well the pronunciation, because you have to send this material in my WhatsApp. Understand? Okay, this pronunciation is that Ministry of Education, Panama accepted the challenge and prepare an action to emigrate from synchronous classes to asynchronous classes. To do it was necessary to use platforms that allow teachers to guide learning using technology. Some of these available platforms are Moodle, Microsoft Teams, Google Classroom, WhatsApp, and Zoom. Since July 2020, many Panamanian students will be experimenting a new scope, remote learning. This is the pronunciation as you give you in order to read this education in time of pandemic and send the pronunciation in my WhatsApp. Understand? If you have any question, immediately send to me through personal WhatsApp. Understand, student? Because this activity you have to use the WhatsApp, especially in the video, and record this reading. And when you record this video, send it to me in my WhatsApp immediately. Understand? I'm going to say the reading when I read any story as like this. Education in time of pandemic. Ministry of Education, Panama accepted the challenge and prepared an action to emigrate from synchronous classes to asynchronous classes. To do it was necessary to use platforms that allow teachers to guide learning using technology. Some of these available platforms are Moodle, Microsoft Teams, Google Classroom, WhatsApp, and Zoom. Since July 2020, many Panamanian students will be experimenting a new scope, remote learning. That's it. This is the example. When I read the story, I do fast, but you have to do like I do. Understand?